Imagine inheriting a palatial estate, only to find out that the government may claim it as its own. That's the predicament Bollywood star Saif Ali Khan faces today. His ancestral properties in Bhopal, collectively worth around 15,000 crores, are at the center of a heated legal battle. And now, the scales may be tipping against him. On January 22, 2025, the Madhya Pradesh High Court lifted its 2015 stay on these properties, bringing them closer to potential government acquisition under the Enemy Property Act 1968. The big question is, what are these properties? What is the Enemy Property Act? And why is it a threat to Saif Ali Khan's inheritance? Saif Ali Khan, the 10th Nawab of Pataudi, inherited these grand properties through his grandmother, Meher Taj Sajida Sultan Begum, the second daughter of Nawab Hamidullah Khan of Bhopal. The disputed estates include Nur-uz-Sabah Palace, a lavish palace turned hotel that once served as the royal residence; Dar-uz-Salam, another magnificent estate with historical significance; Bungalow of Habibi, a structure carrying the Nawabi legacy; Ahmedabad Palace, a grand royal property in Bhopal; Flagstaff House, a historic estate linked to the Bhopal royal family. Each of these properties represents a slice of Bhopal's royal history, but their ownership is now being challenged by the government. Enemy Property Act, the legal hurdle. The Enemy Property Act, 1968, was introduced to seize the properties of the individuals who migrated to Pakistan or China after the 1947 partition and the 1965-1971 Indo-Pak wars. The Indian government designated such properties as enemy property, placing them under the control of the custodian of enemy property for India. So, how does this affect Saif Ali Khan's inheritance? The twist lies in Princess Abida Sultan, the eldest daughter of Nawab Hamidullah Khan. Unlike her sister Meher Taj Sajida Sultan Begum, Abida chose to migrate to Pakistan in 1950. Since she was the eldest heir, the government argues that the Bhopal estates should be classified as enemy property and taken over. The long battle in court. The Pataudi family has been fighting this classification for years. Their argument? The succession laws of Bhopal recognized Meher Taj Sajida Sultan Begum as the rightful heir after Nawab Hamidullah Khan's death. Therefore, the properties shouldn't be considered enemy property just because Abida Sultan moved to Pakistan. Here's how the case unfolded. 2015, the Madhya Pradesh High Court put a stay on the government's classification of the properties as enemy property, preventing immediate acquisition. December 2024, the High Court directed the Pataudi family to approach the appellate authority in New Delhi before seeking further judicial intervention. January 22, 2025, the High Court lifted the 2015 stay, allowing the government to move forward with acquiring the properties under the Enemy Property Act. This latest ruling is a major blow to Saif Ali Khan and his family, as it opens the door for government takeover. So what happens next? With the stay lifted, the custodian of enemy property for India can now proceed with the acquisition. But Pataudi family still has legal options. They can appeal before the appellate authority in New Delhi, as directed by the court. If they lose the appeal, they may take over the case to the Supreme Court for final judgment. If the government takes over, the royal properties could be auctioned, repurposed, or used for public interest projects. A battle of heritage versus law. For Saif Ali Khan, the next few months could decide whether he retains control over his family's historic legacy or loses it to the pages of government records. The question remains, will history be rewritten or will it be preserved? This is Leena Lal signing off for now. Keep watching Famous TV for more such updates.